Predictive control of PMSG-based hydroelectric system with battery-supported UPQC.
Abstract.
In this project, the design and implementation of predictive control to achieve efficient, stable, and high-quality power generation and distribution from the PMSG-based hydroelectric system, supplemented by the battery-supported UPQC. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
This project involves a standalone hydro system using a permanent magnet synchronous generator as an AC source, supported by a battery for critical loads. The loads include nonlinear components, such as diode bridge rectifiers, which introduce distortion in AC source currents. The hydroelectric setup, along with the PMSG and battery support, incorporates a unified power quality conditioner to enhance power quality at both the load and generator ends. The shunt voltage source inverter connects in parallel with the load through inductors, while the series VSI connects via a transformer and interfacing inductor between the generator and load. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.